Hello students, today we are going to learn lesson number 3, that is articles a and the. We are going to learn these 3 articles today. Now let us see. Write V for words beginning with vowels and C for those beginning with consonants in the given circles. Now what are vowels? We have already studied in the lower classes. A, E, I, O and U. These are the vowels and all other letters are consonants. Now what we have to do in this activity? We have to write V for the word which is beginning with a vowel in the circle and C for the word which is beginning with a consonant in the circle. So let us start. Number 1, shirt. It starts with S. So it is a consonant. So what we will write here? We will write here C. Number 2, ball. It starts with B. So what we will write here? It is consonant. So we will write here C. Number 3, orange. It starts with O. O is a vowel. So we will write here V. Number 4, clock. It starts with C. So it is a consonant and we will write here C. Number 5, hut. It starts with H. So we will write here consonant. So understood students? In this way you have to complete 6 to 10 in homework. Now read these words. A glass, a cap, a bag, a mango, a bed, a tap. A is used before the words beginning with the consonant sound. Now where we use article A? We use it with the words which begin with a consonant sound. See here, glass. It starts with G with a sound of G. Cap, it starts with the sound of C. Here bag, it starts with the sound of B. So the words which are starting with the consonant sound, before that we use A. Now read these words. An orange, an apple, an ice cream, an aeroplane, an egg, an igloo. An is used before the words beginning with a vowel sound. Now A is used with the consonant sound. And where is N used? It is used with the vowel sounds, with the words which begin with the vowel sound. See here, orange. It starts with the sound of O. Apple. It starts with the sound of A. Ice cream. It starts with the sound of I. So, the words which starts with the vowel sound, we use N before them. We also write an S, an ant, an owl, an eye, an elephant, an hour, an honest person. Students, here you can see that this word starts with H, but we have used N. Why we have used N here? See here, N is used before the words beginning with the vowel sound. We pronounce this word as hour. We pronounce it as hour, not har. It's R. So the pronunciation, the word begins with the consonant sound of A. Hour. So N. Same. Honest. It's not honest. It's honest. So it's starting with the vowel sound of O. So N. Understood students? Now let us see exercise A. Fill in the blanks with N or A or N. Number 1. Blank ear and blank eye. Ear. So it's starting with the vowel sound and eye. It's starting with the vowel sound. So an ear and an eye. Number 2. Blank day and night. A day and a night. It starts with a consonant sound, and here night also starts with a consonant sound. Number 3. Blank thread and blank needle. Here it starts with the consonant sound, and needle also starts with the consonant sound. So a thread and a needle. Number 4. Blank duck and blank hen. Here duck starts with the consonant sound and hen also starts with a consonant sound. So a duck and a hen. Number 5. Toast. Blank toast and blank bread. Toast starts with the consonant sound. Bread starts with the consonant sound. So a toast and a bread. Number 6. Blank aunt and blank uncle. Here it starts with the vowel sound and uncle also starts with the vowel sound. So an aunt and an uncle. Number 7. A bow and blank arrow. So a bow. Bow. It starts with the consonant sound. An arrow. Arrow starts with the vowel sound. So N. Understood, students? So in this way you have to see the words, you have to see how the word is starting, and then you have to do 8 to 13 in your homework. More about A and N. A and N are called indefinite articles. Now these two articles are known as indefinite articles. Why? This means A and N are used when we do not talk about a particular place or a thing. When there is no specification. When we are not talking about a particular place or a thing or any particular noun. At that time we'll use A and N. Example, he lives in a village. A village. We don't know which village. If here is given the name of the village, then that is definite. But here we are not specified. We do not know the particular place. In the above example, can one guess in which village he lives? No. One cannot guess the village he lives in. It can be any village. Let us read about the use of the. Use of the. The is our third article. We use the when we talk or write about things that are only one of its kind. Only one thing of its kind. It is the specific only one thing. Like the sun, the earth. Do we have sun more than one? No. Sun is only one. The earth is also only one. We use the with the special names like the Taj Mahal. We use the with the special names like with the names of any monuments, with the names of any historical buildings. We use A or N when we talk about things for the first time. But when we talk about those particular or definite things again, we use the. So when we are talking about certain things for the first time and again repeatedly when we are talking about the same thing, we will use the. I have an orange in my basket. We are talking about orange here first time. So we will use N. I want to eat the orange now. Again we are specifying about something about orange. So we have used here the. So understood, students? Now more about the. The is called definite article because the is used with a particular person, animal or a thing. It is a definite article. A and N are indefinite and the is definite. We do not use the before name of people. We will not use it with the name of people. We usually do not use the before name of villages, towns, cities, or countries. Then we also use the before the names of rivers, religious books, monuments, etc. Now, here we have an exception. In some cases, we use the before the name of some countries like the United States of America. Now, United States, United starts with the vowel sound, but we cannot use N before it. We will use the. The United Kingdom, again, United starts with the vowel sound, but we have to use the because it is the specific name of a place. The Bahamas, the Republic. So, understood, student? Now, exercise B. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Number 1. Blank an apple, blank day keeps blank doctor away. Apple, it starts with the vowel sound. So, an apple. Now, day. Day starts with a consonant sound. So, a. Doctor. So, the doctor. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now, number 2. Blank stitch in time saves 9. Stitch. It starts with the consonant sound. So, a. Number 3. A bird flies in the sky. Bird, it starts with the consonant sound. Number 4. Which is blank longest river in India? The longest. Now we are talking about the river which is longest. It is only one. It would be only one river which is longest of all. So, the. Bill Gates is blank American. American. It starts with a vowel sound. So, N.